you for the opportunity to speak on this issue. My name is Ramla Saheed. I'm a former refugee from Somalia. My family grew up in San Diego. My brothers were born in San Diego, one of the few natives left, I think. And I just want to say Americans are standing up and fighting back. We are fighting for our families and for our nation's soul and our city's soul. The spontaneous rallies at the nation's airports, the quick legal action by our litigators, the phone calls that have shut down the Capitol switchboard, the participation of so many constituents at town hall meetings, and the chorus of condemnation, all following the massive women's marches, the largest demonstrations in the nation's history, shows that we won't stop until 45 is stopped. Here's what this vote means for us. Barbara Bree, Chris Ward, Chris Kate, David Alvarez, Georgia Gomez, we're counting on you. You either stand with our most vulnerable families and say that they belong in San Diego, where many of us have had children and have raised our children, or you label them as foreign enemies, U.S. citizens and their families as foreign enemies. And I hope you stay with us. I hope that you vote to sign on to this letter, sign on to the amicus brief. Thank you.
Good morning. It's an honor to speak here. My name is Ismahan Abdullahi, and I'm the Director of Community Partnership and Civic Engagement of PANA and a proud constituent of District 9 with Councilmember Georgia Gomez. We value unity and inclusion, especially here in San Diego. And we've heard so much from the audience and representatives and leaders of the community to ask our council members to stand on the right side of history. The richness of voices and experiences that can be found in our schools, our businesses, our places of worship make us the finest city. We are united by a common drive to work hard to provide for ourselves and for our children. And our progress collectively is built upon a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. Today, we are all here to ask the City Council to memorialize our commitment to unity and inclusion by signing on to the amicus brief championed by the City of Chicago in State of Washington versus Trump. We have the 4th largest population of people in the United States impacted by the executive order targeting refugees from 7 Muslim-majority countries. Our city has the moral responsibility to speak on behalf of its residents. Silence means that we are not on the right side of history and we are in compliance with evil. We must not be silent, we must act, and we must stand tall and pursue what it truly means to represent our constituents. Thank you.
Thank you. Kelly King is our next.